So after you've kneaded this area enough with your thumbs, and you can spend as much time as you want here, really, I'll move into using my elbows, which can be a little intense here, but you'll work it in the same area where you feel the knots are or trigger points need to be worked on. And move your elbow and your forearm slowly down the ridge alongside the spinal cord. And just slide it off your partner's back, sort of like mid-level back area. Start off at the same point. I'm using my thumb as kind of a guide. I'm starting here where I felt work needed to be done. And I'm using this point of just after my elbow. I'm not actually using the edge of my elbow. I'm using just after my elbow in the forearm. And just putting my body's weight. I'm just sort of leaning onto it. So I'm using my whole body's weight on this area. And you can just rest it there for a while. Trying to release that tension I feel. Breathe, Sarah, breathe. You can wiggle your forearm down, and as it peels off to the side, so a continuing stroke. And you could do that as many times as you like. 3 or 4. Remember to work both sides. So you're working both sides with the thumbs, and then both sides with the elbows. And have your partner turn their head. Because as you're working on the ground, it's important, since they're not in a bolster or in a massage table or using a pillow, it's good not to create the tension of the neck. So I'm constantly reminding Sarah to turn her head from side to side. So when we return, I'll work on the shoulders further.